Okay, I thought I'd do one more example of finding the least common multiple using prime factorization. And I have two numbers here, 48 and 72. So I'm going to begin this process by prime factorizing them. You can start either way, but I just started 48 with 12 times 4, and I'll go ahead and continue to break that apart. Okay, and go ahead and do the 8 and 9 here. The 8 goes 4 and 2. 2 is prime. 9 is 3 and 3, and both of those numbers are prime. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and list out my prime factors. So for 48, it is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. There's 4 2's circled and 1 3. And for my 72, it is 2 times 2 times 2. There's 3 2's. Times 3 times 3. Okay, so if you go back to the last video, I said step 2 was multiplying each prime factor the greatest number of times it appears in any one factorization. So let's just go through our numbers, starting with 2, because that's the first number that appears here. Okay. The most number of times 2 appears in either factorization is, let's see here, with the 48 it appears 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Here it only appears 1, 2, 3. So the greatest number of times the 2 appears is 4 times. So to figure out the LCM, I'm going to begin by multiplying 2 4 times, because that's the greatest number of times it appears. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now, there's one more number left. There's a 3 in there. The most number of times 3 appears in either factorization is twice. In the 48, it only appears 1 time. But in the 72, it appears 2 times. So the greatest number of times the 3 appears is 2 times. So you multiply it together 2 times. So all together we're multiplying 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, and that will give you 144. As your least common multiple for 48 and 72.